Hello and welcome back to another PowerMaths lesson. We're carrying on with our time topic and today we're focusing on reading the time to 5 minutes. Let's get going with the flashback 4 to get started. Okay, let's start our lesson off with the flashback 4. Have a go, click pause and then click play when you want to check your answers. Ready to check? Here's question 1. What time is shown on the clock? The answer is 8:15. Question 2. The square is to the right of the circle. Question 3. Mo lays 4 sweets end to end. The total length is, so you need to measure this one and then times your answer by 4 and you will have got 12 centimetres if 4 sweets were laid end to end. And question 4. What is 1/4 of 20? The answer is 5. Okay, let's move on and have a look at today's PowerMaths lesson. And here's today's Discover. You can see that we've got some people queuing out in the rain for a bus, and the lady at the front is looking at her watch. And your questions are, the bus is due to arrive in 5 minutes. What time will the bus arrive? And part B, what time will the bus arrive if it is 15 minutes late? Some things to consider. Where is the minute hand pointing to on this watch? What does that mean? And where is the hour hand pointing? So have a go at the Discover, click pause here and then click play when you're ready to share the answers. Well done on having a go. Let's share our Walt and Wilf and then our answers. Today's Walt, to tell the time to 5 minutes. And to do that, we're going to need to know that the clock face can be divided up into 5-minute segments. We're going to need to be able to count up in fives, and that's going to let us read and record times to 5 minutes. So our first question said that the bus was going to arrive in 5 minutes and we were asked what time it will arrive. Let's have a think about the clock. Sparks up here says this: each number on the clock represents another 5 minutes. So when we're thinking about the minute hand and watching it travel around the clock, every time it reaches a new number, it's gone 5 more minutes. Before we get to a half past time, we can count in fives to see how many minutes have gone past the o'clock time. So here you can see we've gone 5, 10 minutes past 3 o'clock. However, when we get to after a half past time, so that's when the minute hand has gone past the number 6, we can count in fives to see how many minutes there are until the next o'clock time. So here, the minute hand is all the way up here pointing at the number 10, and we've got 5, 10 minutes until the next o'clock, which will be 1 o'clock. So let's count in fives to find the answer to the time that this clock is showing and what the time will be in 5 minutes. So let's start at the top and we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20. So the minute hand is showing that it is 20 minutes past. Well, let's have a look at the hour hand. It's gone past the number 1. So it's 20 past 1. And in another 5 minutes, when the bus is due to arrive, we need to just hop one more jump of 5 from 20 past to 25 past. So the bus will arrive at 25 minutes past 1. What happens though if the bus is 15 minutes late? Let's just hop 15 minutes first. 5, 10, 15. So now we're on the number 8. And now we're ready to hop and see how many minutes to the next o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes to the next o'clock will be 2 o'clock. So the time is 20 minutes to 2. Let's think together. Our questions today are simple. We're just being asked, what time is it? I'll do these first ones and you can have a go at the next question. And Sparks is reminding us that when we have the minute hand before half past, then it's going to be something past. And when we have the minute hand after half past, it's going to be something to. And we can see here that here we're going past 6 o'clock, and here we're going to, on our way to 7 o'clock. So let's have a look at this first one. I need to look at the minute hand, and starting right at the o'clock, I need to count in fives. 5. Great, just one hop this time, so that means that it is 5 past 6 o'clock. Let's have a look at this one here. Well, I've gone past half past, so I'm on my way to 7 o'clock. Let's see how many minutes I would need to get to 7 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the time is 25 to 7. What about this one? We're back to a past time because it's gone past 6 o'clock, but we're not yet gone past half past. So let's start and count in fives. 5, 10. I'm at 10 past 6. And down here, well, I've gone all the way round and I've gone past halfway. So we're counting 2. And I know that it's on its way to 7 o'clock. And it's 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes until 7 o'clock. So the time is 20 to 7. So notice what I was doing. I was thinking about whether the minute hand showed past or to. I was counting in fives to work out what the minute hand was telling me, and I was thinking about the hour hand to make sure I knew what hour it was past or what hour it was on its way to. Why don't you have a go at these? Click pause here, have a go at reading these times, and click play when you want to check your answers. Okay, ready to check? This first one is 20 minutes past 3. The second one is 5, 10 minutes to 4. The third one is 25 minutes past 3. And the last one is 5 minutes to 4. Well done on having a go at those. It's time to have a go in your practice book. Today you're working on page 64. So click pause here, have a go, and then come back for an extension question to finish when you're done. Great work in your practice book. Let's do the extension question to finish our lesson. So today, true or false, the time is 2 past 6. Have a think, click pause, get your answer true or false, and click play when you want to check it. Ready to check? This one is false. When we're looking at the minute hand, each number around the clock is a 5-minute interval, which means we have to count in fives. And if the minute hand, like in that clock, is pointing at the number 2, then that means that it is 5:10 past the hour. So the time is 10 past 6, not 2 past 6. Well done today. We'll finish our lesson there. Well done on finishing another lesson. I'll see you again for the next one soon.